Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a game changer because we've got not one, not two, but 5 powerful YouTube Shorts hacks for 2024 that are going to skyrocket your content. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our epic tips. Introduce Hack 1, the attention grabber. The first hack is all about capturing attention in the first 3 seconds. In the fast-paced world of YouTube Shorts, those initial moments are make or break. So, think bold visuals, snappy captions, and anything that makes viewers go, "Wait, what just happened?" Trust me, it works like magic. Transition to Hack 2, trend riding. Hack number 2 is all about riding the trends. Keep your finger on the pulse of what's hot and trending. Whether it's a viral dance, a popular meme, or a current event, incorporating these trends into your shorts will give your content that extra boost. And hey, who doesn't love a good trend, right? Jump to Hack 3, engage with viewers. Now, this hack is a game changer. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of community. The more you connect with your viewers, the more likely they are to stick around and become part of your YouTube family. Cut to Hack 4, optimize for mobile. Hack number 4 is all about optimizing for mobile. Since most people watch YouTube Shorts on their phones, make sure your content is visually appealing on smaller screens. Clear visuals, legible text, and vibrant colors will make your shorts stand out and keep viewers coming back for more. Transition to Hack 5, consistency is key. Last but not least, hack number 5, consistency is key. Create a schedule for your YouTube Shorts. Whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, stick to it. Consistency builds anticipation, and your audience will know exactly when to expect your awesome content. And there you have it, folks. 5 powerful YouTube Shorts hacks for 2024 that will take your content to new heights. Try them out, and let us know in the comments which one you found most helpful. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and we'll catch you in the next video. Before hitting that record button, figure out what you're passionate about and who your target audience is. Are you into tech, gaming, lifestyle, or maybe DIY crafts? Knowing your niche helps you create content that resonates with a specific audience, making it easier to grow a dedicated fan base. 2. Plan your content strategy. Once you've nailed down your niche, plan your content strategy. What types of videos will you create? How often will you upload? Consistency is key on YouTube, so having a content schedule helps your audience know when to expect new videos. Brainstorm ideas, create a content calendar, and stay ahead of trends in your niche. 3. Invest in quality equipment. You don't need a Hollywood studio setup, but investing in decent equipment is crucial. Start with a good camera, clear audio, and proper lighting. Remember, your content doesn't have to be perfect from the start, but clear visuals and audio make a significant difference in how viewers perceive your channel. There you have it. Define your niche, plan your content, and invest in quality equipment. With these 3 steps, you'll be well prepared to kick off your YouTube journey successfully.